Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In this video, I show you how to do this look. It's super easy, it's super quick. I still feel, I don't know, I'm sweating because it's that quick, and that's why I really didn't enjoy doing this tutorial. But I thought it might be handy for those who are always in a hurry, but you still want to look snatch. So if you're curious on how I created this look, then keep on watching. So as you can see, I already did the base, which I filmed as well. I'm going to zoom you in because, you know, we are going to do the eyes and we're going to do something simple, but still glam and still like pretty. So the first thing that I'm going to use is I'm going to use this Huda Beauty eyeshadow right here. This is the matte shade, which is called Room Service, and I'm going to use this as a primer. So I'm not going to prime the eyes and then, you know, do all these steps. So this is going to be my primer. I'm going to do both eyes at the same time. So like there. Okay, I'm taking my Urban Decay Smoky Crease brush to blend this. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're not going to be able to really see the color anyway. And usually I go all the way up to the brows. Honestly, you could call this the 1 minute eyeshadow makeup because, I don't know, like apply some mascara and you're good to go. Also going to apply this on my lower lids. I always feel so nervous when I have to rush. But you know, it has to be quick, so just smoke it out. You don't have to think about this too much. And I also like the fact that this color really blends very nicely, very creamy, but not too creamy, so it doesn't crease. Okay, so kind of like that, very nice warm shade. There's something in my eye. Now I'm going to take this Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay, and with the same brush I'm going in with Low Blow, which is this beautiful brown color. I'm going to blend the edges of this shadow right there, all the way up till the brows. Still using the same brush, I'm going in with He Devil right there, which is kind of like similar shade as the primer, maybe slightly darker. Okay, and I'm just going to apply this into the crease and also right in the outer corner. So just circular motions. Okay, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush in number 11, and I'm going to use this En Fuego right there. It's a very nice burgundy shade. Going to make the outer corners of the eye a little bit darker. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good, and as you can see, I'm doing nothing really precise. Okay, like that. Now I'm taking this Too Faced Crystal Whips eyeshadow. It's a shimmering liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade It's Lit, which is a very easy way to do your eyeshadow. It's very quick as well, so just apply it right there. And then I'm going in with my Sigma Cream Color brush, and I'm just going to blend this. So taking this brush again, I am going in with the shade Cayenne and just placing it between these two, so we have a nice blend. Taking this LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Outer Liner in brown, and I'm going to apply this on my waterline. I'm going to use a little bit of this amber color. It has a bit of a shimmer in it, but it looks like a very nice rustic color, and I'm going to place that right underneath my eye pencil. With the same eye pencil that I've used on my waterline, actually I'm going to smoke it out real quick, because I don't like this one stripe on my waterline. So like that. Done. Also going to kind of like do an eyeliner but without a wing. I'm quickly going to curl my lashes. Okay, so obviously we don't have time to apply falsies. Okay, MAC Mascara in Extra Lash Dimension, which is one of my fave. Okay, so now the lower lashes. Oh my god. And so I'm taking this Smashbox highlighter slash blush palette. It's a Kali Kissed palette. And I'm taking this color right here, mixing it with this color. Going to apply this in my inner corners. Like that. So for lips, I'm going to use this Dose of Colors lip liner. This is in the shade Delight, which is a very nice light pink color. Now I'm going in with Natasha Denona liquid lipstick in number 9, which is called Giselle. And on top of that, I'm going to use a little bit of this Zoeva gloss in Become a Butterfly. Okay, done. Okay, so there you go. I hope you guys like this super quick makeup tutorial. I really don't like doing these tutorials because it gives me anxiety. I feel stressed out. I'm sweating. I personally really like how this look came out. It's very peachy. We have these corally colors, and I also feel like it's suitable for a very hot summer night. You know what I mean? That you want to be a little extra and glowy and bronzy, and you have this beautiful bronze eye going on. I do feel like my eyes look pretty small without lashes though, because you know, but we have to keep it fair. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on my other social channels like Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.